Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use or how to trade using the Fixedfloat trade or exchange without using or without the KYC. And basically, all you need to know first is that Fixedfloat doesn't require any KYC. So as you can see, Fixedfloat is a fully automated service for exchanging cryptocurrencies, and it is not custodial, and an exchange take place immediately. As you can see, even if you go to any other places, you will find and you will make sure that uh, it doesn't require the need for user to undergo registration or KYC verifications. So basically, you will need just to go to the Float exchange, and then you will need just to sign in if you want, and basically you will need just to go to your destination, means the address. You will add the address. You will need just to use the coins that you want or the tokens that you would like. For example, USDT, and you will receive, for example, uh, another USDT or whatever you like. You choose the destination or you choose your wallet or the address. And of course, you can choose also the order type if you want. And basically, you will need just to click on exchange now, and you will be able to start exchanging using Flexboat Fixedfloat, and this is basically how you can use your own Fixedfloat exchange, and basically you can also start seeing like the frequent asked question if you want more information about how you do it, or if you want to know more about the fixed float exchange. So basically and simply, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.